Freaking nature. I've already embarrassed you once. I've done beat you once for the World Heavyweight title. And what should have been the finals of the World Heavyweight Championship tournament. But because Brent and Casey put their nose in my business, it's me, you, and Brent Davidson, the 18th, in Adamsville, Tennessee, for the World Heavyweight Championship. Now, I should be nervous because I've already had to fight you once. I should be concerned on if I can get another victory against you. And a lot of people are saying that the first time was a fluke. That the first time, the only reason I beat you was because your former brothers, Black Sheep and Black Arrow, turned their back on you and helped me get that win. And you know what? They might be right. But I'm going to tell you something. You're not going to make it to the 18th. Do you want to know why? What am I saying? Of course you do. Of course you want to know. What's Jackson thinking? What's Jackson got brewing? That's something for you to find out later. But what I can and what I will tell you is you need to watch your back. Because let's just say I'm not the only one with a vendetta against you. Just in case. I'll see you the 18th, freak.